Hey guys, it's Ms. Simpson here, and I just wanted to record a quick video to help you guys with page 384 and 385. On this page, we are adding mixed numbers, okay? And it's very similar to adding simple fractions, except for there's one additional step, okay? We are not going to add ours vertically. We are going to continue to add ours horizontally as we have in the past videos. Okay, so first things first, you need to draw out your blanks. So I have blank plus blank equals blank. Leave a little bit of space in between the equal sign and the blank because now we have some whole numbers. First things first, we will take care of those whole numbers. So we're going to do 4 plus 3 is 5. I'm going to write that in. That's the very first step with this type of problem. Okay, next step, we need to decide what is a common denominator between 4 and 10. Okay, now you should be to the point where you're able to see that 4 can go into 20, 10 can go into 20. That's the smallest number they have in common. However, if you cannot, and your multiplication factor struggle, then write out your multiples. And that will help you choose that correct number. So I'm going to write in 20. Okay, what did you multiply 4 times to change it into a 20? Times 5. So you're also going to multiply the 3 times 5. What did you multiply 10 times to change it to a 20? Times 2. So you're also going to multiply that 3 times 2. So 3 times 5 is 15. 15. Oh. 15 turned into 16. So 15, okay? And then 2 times 3 is 6. Now I need to add our numerator and add our two numerators. So 15 plus 6 is 21. Now the problem with having 21 over 20 is that is greater than a whole, okay? So we have to ask ourselves, how many times does 20 go into 21? 1 time with 1 left over, and I'm adding that to the 5. So I get 6 and 1/20th is my answer. If that process went too quickly, please feel free to rewind the video, rewatch the video. That's the beauty of having videos, okay? So let's look at number 3. First things first, let's draw our blanks. Now you're going to add your whole numbers. 5 plus 1 is 6. Decide what's a common denominator between 4 and 3. That is 12. What do you multiply 4 times to change it to a 12? Times 3. What do you multiply 3 times to change it to a 12? Times 4. So then you're multiplying numerator times 3. And then the other numerator times 4. So 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 1 is 4. And 9 plus 4 is 13. So I'll have the same situation happening again. We have an improper fraction. The numerator is bigger than the denominator. That's like if I have a 12 slice, or if a whole pizza only has 12 slices, but I have 13 there. That means I have a whole pizza and some left over, right? So I'm going to add 6 plus, then 12 goes into 13 one time with 1 left over. So that's 7 and 1/12. Okay. In the last problem, we draw our blanks. Okay, so then 3 plus 2 is 5. And then what's the common denominator in this problem? 10. What did you multiply 5 times to make it a 10? 2. What do you multiply 10 times to make it a 10? 1. 4 times 2 is 8. 3 times 1 is 3. And 8 plus 3 is 11. So then you have 5 plus, let's change the 11 over 10 into an mixed number. So 10 goes into 11 one time with 1 left over. So that is 6 and 1/10. Lots of steps here, guys. Lots of steps. It's really important for you to keep your work organized because it's easy to make a little bitty mistake on these, okay? So take your time, work these out, show your work. Let us know if you have any questions about that, okay? Thanks, guys.